American model and activist Halima Aden will grace the latest issue of Sports Illustrated swimsuit wearing a burkini in what is the first for the magazine. The feature, which was shot in Kenya, where Aden was born in the Kakuma refugee camp.
I can't believe I'm here. Everything about this is so far from anything I've ever done before and so different. This was scary. I was like, I don't even know how to swim. We're going back to Kenya. What is it gonna look like? Am I gonna get backlash after this? But that's always been my messaging. Don't be afraid to be the first.